got 2 words for you.
Storage. Auction.
Pirate. True grit, grind, and hustle of the storage auction business where scared money don't make money and eBay is king. Living life, one storage unit at a time. Starting rat poop unit number 742. Looks better than it did the other day, actually. Hand her up or whatever. When I bought this unit right here, this was sitting right in front. It's in extremely good shape, minus the fact there's been some rat piss sitting on it and stuff, but a little bit of elbow grease from one of my guys and it'll look like new. You can see everything is just pristine. This is an easy grand right here. $1 grand.
Tell the world.
Say hello. Hello, Anthony. This unit is actually turning out to be pretty decent. It's just chock full of sellable stuff. The people were literally... But like they always say, scared money don't make money. It's full of good stuff. Nice cabinets, nice furniture. What? Did you just call him your son? You guys are damn near the same age.
I should pull it out in the sun.
Oh, baby, come on. Let's just stare at you for a minute. You have the key, so you're easy to open. What will you have in you? Oh, doesn't feel too heavy. Hold on a second, sir. Is there anything in it? Doesn't really feel like it. Why aren't you opening? Fruit. Yeah. You have strong fingers, don't you?
Why do you call him fruit?
He calls me, so I call him that.
What are you trying to do?
I don't know. I feel like I can't open that button there. I feel like my fingers are hurting. Does that have something to do with that button right there? No? You don't feel nothing?
It's locked.
Come on, 20 grand. Doesn't feel very heavy. Doesn't even feel like it's doing anything. Push on it. The fuck? No. Kitchen?
No. Chip.
Anger management. Anger management.
No, I'm happy.
Okay.
Okay, where's the most loaded? This little tiny thing, 26 footer would have done. Get into the back of this unit. So far, this is our last chance for serious romance, you know? I'm talking gold, guns, money, diamonds, stuff like that. So the unit looks pretty good. Everything seems to off-sell it, get rid of it. It was a very profitable unit. One of my favorite things next to safes is trunks. You can tell by the sound that you're making when you slide it.
Well, I'm actually moving it so you can tell right there.
I want to I can hear the echo inside. Up for the end.